In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the Google Drive refuse to connect error. If you're seeing that message when you try to open Google Drive, don't worry. We're going to walk through a simple set of checks and fixes that usually solve the problem quickly, even if you're not very technical. First, let's look at your browser extensions because these are one of the most common causes. Extensions are small add-ons in your browser that add extra features like blocking ads or adding extra security. Sometimes they can accidentally block Google services, including Drive. Open your browser's extensions or add-ons page. In most browsers, you can do this from the main menu under Settings, then look for extensions or add-ons. Once you're there, take a quick look through the list and see if you have anything related to content blocking, privacy filters, security suites, or anything that modifies how pages load. You don't have to remove them, just remember which ones are active because we'll be turning a few of them off in the next step to test things. Now, temporarily disable any ad blockers or security extensions you're using. These tools are great for protecting your privacy, but they can sometimes interfere with Google Drive's ability to connect. On the extensions page, switch off your ad blocker and any security or privacy extensions one by one. After you turn them off, go back to your Google Drive tab and refresh the page. If Drive loads correctly after disabling a specific extension, you've likely found the cause. You can then leave that extension off for Google Drive or check if it has a whitelist or allow list feature where you can mark Google Drive as a trusted site. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is clear your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores data from websites to help them load faster. If that stored data gets outdated or corrupted, it can cause connection errors. Go into your browser settings and look for the section called Privacy, History, or Clear Browsing Data. Choose to clear cache and cookies. You don't need to clear passwords or download history for this issue. Once you've selected cache and cookies, confirm and let the browser finish. When it's done, close the settings, go back to Google Drive and try loading it again. If you're still getting the refuse to connect message, try opening Google Drive in an incognito or private browsing window. This mode runs the browser without most extensions and without using your existing cookies and cache, which makes it a great way to test whether the problem is related to your regular browsing data. Open a new incognito or private window from your browser menu, then manually type in the Google Drive address and sign in if needed. If Drive works fine in this mode, that strongly suggests the issue is with an extension or your browsing data, and you can focus your troubleshooting there. Finally, restart your browser completely. Close all browser windows, make sure it's fully shut down, and then open it again. A simple restart can clear out temporary glitches that might be blocking the connection. Once it's open, go back to Google Drive and try loading it one more time. By carefully checking your extensions, turning off ad blockers or security tools, clearing cache and cookies, using incognito mode, and restarting your browser, you'll usually resolve the Google Drive refuse to connect error and get back to your files without much hassle.